Franny's pups. Little Pixie, and Pearl, and Trucker, and Samson, and Minnie, and Grayson. They'll be leaving soon, so probably the last video together. They are fun puppies. I'm gonna miss them. Yes, Grayson, you too. Yes, Grayson, you too. Happy boy. Yeah, you'd rather have people than toys. Yeah. Go play with the toys, Grayson. Come on, Pixie. Come on, Pixie. They like people. Go, Trucker. There you go. You got it. Where you taking it? Hey, Pearl. Pearl's a happy little thing. Yeah, she is. She's another one I'd want to keep if she gets big enough, but boy, she's not very big. She's got the sweetest little personality. Ow. And Minnie, we're keeping Minnie. Minnie, Minnie, Minnie. Up, 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 up. Come on, Minnie. She's gone on the paper to pee. We'll wait for her. They're pretty good about finding the paper. Yes, they are. They're good puppies. Right, Trucker? There's Minnie. There's Minnie. She's a big girl, so she's going to be good to keep. Yeah, there's Samson. His name was Blaze before. Ow! Pearl, don't bite. What you got, Grayson? What you got, Grayson? Because I've got everything. I got all the toys. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'm a happy man. Happy little man.